from low to high, the positions of E flat are first position, D shape, third position, C shape, sixth position, A shape, eighth position, G shape, and 11th position, E shape. To get comfortable with 1, 4, and 5 in each shape, here are some helpful mnemonics. D is D, G, and A. So 1D, 4G, 5A. Mnemonic is don't get angry, DGA. C is C, F, and G. 1 is C, 4 is F, 5 and G. The mnemonic is coffee grinds, like coffee grinds, CFG. A is ADE. The 1 is A, the 4 is D, the 5 is E. Think about Gatorade, the ADE, the way it's spelled, ADE, so ADE. G, GCD, the 1 is G, the 4 is C, the 5 is D. Think good credit, good G, cre, C, dit, D. E is EAB, the 1 is E, the 4 is A, the 5 is B. Think earlobe, so EA from ear and then B from lobe, EAB. Okay, ascending the neck in E flat, we're going through 1, 4, and 5 in each position so we can play the blues. In the first position, we know the 1 chord E flat is in the D shape, and the 1, 4, and 5 chords of D are D, G, and A. So the D shape in the first position is the 1 chord, which is E flat. First position, D shape, 1 chord, E flat. The G shape in the first position is the 4 chord, which is A flat. First position, G shape, 4 chord, A flat. And the A shape in the first position is the 5 chord, which is B flat. First position, A shape, 5 chord, B flat. From the first position, move up 2 positions to the third position. In caged, the next shape after the D shape is the C shape. So in the third position, we know the 1 chord, E flat, is in the C shape. And the 1, 4, and 5 chords of C are C, F, and G. So the C shape in the third position is the 1 chord, which is E flat. Third position, C shape, 1 chord, E flat. The F shape in the third position is the 4 chord, which is A flat. Keep in mind that the F shape is the same as the E shape, but the F shape is simply 1 fret higher. So third position, F shape, 4 chord, A flat. And the G shape in the third position is the 5 chord, which is B flat. Third position, G shape, 5 chord, B flat. From the third position, move up 3 positions to the 6th position. In caged, the next shape after the C shape is the A shape. So in the 6th position, we know the 1 chord, E flat, is in the A shape. And the 1, 4, and 5 chords of A are A, D, and E. So the A shape in the 6th position is the 1 chord, which is E flat. 6th position, A shape, 1 chord, E flat. The D shape in the 6th position is the 4 chord, which is A flat. 6th position, D shape, 4 chord, A flat. And the E shape in the 6th position is the 5 chord, which is B flat. 6th position, E shape, 5 chord, B flat. From the 6th position, move up 2 positions to the 8th position. In caged, the next shape after the A shape is the G shape. So in the 8th position, we know the 1 chord, E flat, is in the G shape. And the 1, 4, and 5 chords of G are G, C, and D. So the G shape in the 8th position is the 1 chord, which is E flat. 8th position, G shape, 1 chord, E flat. The C shape in the 8th position is the 4 chord, which is A flat. 8th position, C shape, 4 chord, A flat. And the D shape in the 8th position is the 5 chord, which is B flat. 8th position, D shape, 5 chord, B flat. From the 8th position, move up 3 positions to the 11th position. In caged, the next shape after the G shape is the E shape. So in the 11th position, we know the 1 chord, E flat, is in the E shape. And the 1, 4, and 5 chords of E are E, A, and B. So the E shape in the 11th position is the 1 chord, which is E flat. 11th position, E shape, 1 chord, E flat. The A shape in the 11th position is the 4 chord, which is A flat. 11th position, A shape, 4 chord, A flat. And the B shape in the 11th position is the 5 chord, which is B flat. Keep in mind that the B shape is the same as the C shape, but the B shape is simply 1 fret lower. So 11th position, B shape, 5 chord, B flat. From the 11th position, move up 2 positions to the 13th position. In caged, the next shape after the E shape is the D shape. So in the 13th position, the 1 chord is E flat in the D shape, and we're exactly 1 octave above where we started the D shape in the 1st position. 1 chord, position 1, D shape. 1 chord, position 3, C shape. 1 chord, position 6, A shape. 1 chord, position 8, G shape. 4 chord, position 11, A shape. 4 chord, position 1, G shape. 1 chord, position 3, C shape. 1 chord, position 6, A shape. 5 chord, position 8, D shape. 4 chord, position 11, A shape. 1 chord, position 1, D shape. 5 chord, position 3, G shape. 1 chord, position 6, A shape. 1 chord, position 8, G shape. 1 chord, position 11, E shape. 1 chord, position 1, D shape. 4 chord, position 3, F shape. 4 chord, position 6, D shape. 1 chord, position 8, G shape. 1 chord, position 11, E shape. 5 chord, position 1, A shape. 4 chord, position 3, F shape. 1 chord, position 6, A shape. 5 chord, position 8, D shape. 1 chord, position 11, E shape. 1 chord, position 1, D shape. 1 chord, position 3, C shape. 1 chord, position 6, A shape. 4 chord, position 8, C shape. 4 chord, position 11, A shape. 1 chord, position 1, D shape. 1 chord, position 3, C shape. 5 chord, position 6, E shape. 4 chord, position 8, C shape. 1 chord, position 11, E shape. 5 chord, position 1, A shape. 1 chord, position 3, C shape. 1 chord, position 6, A shape. 1 chord, position 8, G shape. 1 chord, position 11, E shape. 4 chord, position 1, G shape. 4 chord, position 3, F shape. 1 chord, position 6, A shape. 1 chord, position 8, G shape. 5 chord, position 11, B shape. 4 chord, position 1, G shape. 1 chord, position 3, C shape. 5 chord, position 6, E shape. 1 chord, position 8, G shape. 1 chord, position 11, E shape. 1 chord, position 1, D shape. 1 chord, position 3, C shape. 4 chord, position 6, D shape. 4 chord, position 8, C shape. 1 chord, position 11, E shape. 1 chord, position 1, D shape. 5 chord, position 3, G shape. 4 chord, position 6, D shape. 1 chord, position 8, G shape. 5 chord, position 11, B shape. D shape. C shape. A shape. G shape. A shape. G shape. C shape. A shape. D shape. A shape. D shape. G shape. A shape. G shape. E shape. D shape. F shape. D shape. G shape. E shape. A shape. F shape. A shape. D shape. E shape. D shape. C shape. A shape. C shape. A shape. D shape. C shape. shape, C shape, E shape, A shape, C shape, A shape, G shape, E shape, G shape, F shape, A shape, G shape, B shape, G shape, C shape, E shape, G shape, E shape,